The Zonesun ZS-LP250 is an automatic bottle unscrambler with integrated inverting system designed to sort, orient, and feed bottles upright into downstream packaging lines. With a large hopper, inclined elevator, unscrambling disc, and precise height adjustment, it ensures continuous, stable bottle supply. Fully customizable for different bottle types, it is ideal for integration with filling, capping, and labeling machines in food, beverage, cosmetic, and chemical production lines.